Yo, what's up guys? Be honest. How many push-ups can you do right now? 5, 3, or 0? And you're thinking, I'll start tomorrow. Don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you how to level up your push-ups step by step. Step 1, knee push-ups. Knee push-ups. No, this is not cheating. This is training. Get on your knees, hands shoulder width apart. Slowly go down and up. No rushing. We're building strength, not breaking ourselves. Do this for 1 to 2 weeks. After that, 15 to 20 push-ups will feel easy. Step 2, hand position. Once that gets easy, start moving your hands forward. Little by little, don't jump into superhero mode. Keep your body straight. No saggy hips, no mountain pose, straight line, always. Step 3, incline push-up. Incline push-ups. Use a bench, a chair, a couch, whatever you've got. Hands up, feet down, body straight. It looks easy, but trust me, it builds real strength. And please, make sure the chair doesn't break. Step 4, decline push-ups. When you can do 15 to 20 normal push-ups, it's time for decline push-ups. Feet on the couch, hands on the floor. This one hits your chest and shoulders hard. Start slow. No need to become Spider-Man on day 1. Quick tips: tight core, straight body, breathe properly. Stay consistent. Do this for 2 to 3 weeks and people will ask, bro, have you been working out? Remember, push-ups are free, no gym, no excuses, just you. And the floor. If this helped you, hit the like button, drop your push-up record in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's get stronger together.